However, different components of mate value may be positively or negatively linked to infidelity. If agreeableness, one of the big 5 personality traits, is one component, then those who score high in agreeableness is positively linked to higher mate value, and those who score low in agreeableness is negatively linked to infidelity. So meaning that when there's high agreeableness, that means that two partners sort of like agree with each other in terms of their mate value. So they both are high mate value people, right? When there's a low agreeableness, that means that one of the partners is not satisfied in the relationship, and so that partner is more likely to pursue infidelity. But you can also have low agreeableness where it is negatively linked to infidelity, that the person still might not pursue infidelity, and it's likely because there may not be an opportunity to pursue infidelity.